Assalamu alaikum aj, Humbat Kar, Rehi Hain, NAVTTC, or Prime Minister Youth Program Kazari Sharu, Hone Whalefree, Heidemann Skills Courses K-Bari Main, Jihan, Por Mulk Main 3 Se 6 Mahain K Muft Training Programs, Sharu Hochukain, Jismin, OP Modern Skills, Sikh Kar Pakistan Hai Nahi, Bokeh International Market Main, B, Kamai Kar Saktain, Chali Dektain, Kankan Se Courses Available Hain, Agriculture and Livestock Sector, Drone Applications in Agriculture, Fish Farming, Poultry Farm Management, Tissue Culture, or Boet Se Advanced Courses. Information Technology Sector, Artificial Intelligence, Robotics, Big Data Analytics, Data Mining, Business Intelligence, Game Development, or Kai Digital Skills. Ready Driving Skills Sector, Bulldozer Operator, Motor Grader Operator, Excavator, Wheel Loader, HTV Driver, LTV Driver, Tamam, Training Bilkul Maft. Green Energy Sector, Solar PV System Technician, Renewable Energy, Wind and Solar, Intelligent Hybrid and Electric Vehicles. Language Courses, Japanese, Korean, Arabic, German, Bilkul, Free Training, Mulki or Overseas Jobs Ki Lai, Perfect. Manufacturing and Textile, Industrial Automation, Textile Dyeing and Printing, CNC Machining, Stitching Machine Operator, and more. Mining and Mineral Sector, Advanced Civil Survey, Gemstone Faceting, Marble Quarry Master, and Jewelry Electroplating, Agarop Apna, Future Secure Karna, Chait Hain, 2 Yamoka Bilkul, Miss Matt Karin. Admission Kiakri Tariq High -8 December 2025. Apply Karna Bahut, Asaan. Best QR code scan Karin. Ya. Website par Jakar form fill Karin. NSIS. nefchok.gov.pk. www.navttc.gov.pk for more details. Visit the official website or call the toll-free number 0800 888 666N. AVTTC, Skill Pakistan, Build Pakistan.